Hello friends, today we will talk about cash now, so keep watching this video till the end. Please subscribe my channel Kyan Maitra. Cash now, loan here to lead you to a better life. We help you financially to live those endeavors. Cash Now is the #1 instant cash loan app in India. You can apply for a personal loan online for instant approval. No security, no personal visits and no complex documentation. Get your salary early and repay on your payday. It's simple and easy. Need cash for shopping, travel, medical or any emergency needs? Let Cash Now help you. Eligibility. Minimum salary, in-hand salary of Rs 20,000 per month. Minimum age, above 23 years and below 55 years. Permanent Indian residence with below information. ID proof, Aadhaar/driving license/passport. Address proof, Aadhaar. PAN card. Why Cash Now? Instant approvals. With your few mobile clicks, we'll sanction your loan within a few minutes. Anytime, anywhere, get cash online credited into your bank account. Simple and easy. No collateral required. No need for physical visits. Avail loans up to 1 lakh. Help with every cash need. Apply for a loan at any time and anywhere. Buy home appliances, furniture, and electronics by transferring money from one of the fastest instant cash loan apps. Simplified credit line upgrade. On-time repayments will get you higher credit limits and lower interest rates. Flexible repayment. You will be charged only for the amount outstanding. You can prepay and close loan at any time and save money. No prepayment fees or penalties.